Ohio.
Ohio. Um, Good morning, all of you. I'm going to teach you how to make this kind of lamp. Okay. The reason we chose this lamp is because this lamp is actually Japan Haba symbol also, and this year's theme is Hikari. Okay, Hikari means light. So I thought, okay, that nothing. I mean, this is the best thing that we could choose for the craft work, right? Okay. Every year we've been doing this, and this year we're doing this online. Okay. So to start with, we will be needing 1.5 sheets of paper, colored paper. So if you're going to have one-sided paper, just follow my instructions so you'll know the difference. Okay, where to fold and things like that. Have a pencil or a marker. Have some ruler. Have scissors and you can have tape also. Toothpick. You need a toothpick, and if you want, you can have a cutter. Okay. Can you all hear me?
Yes, Padma-san, we can hear you.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. So first, take one sheet of paper. We are going to make this into a square first, okay? So, and from the square, we are going to make it into a pentagon, like this. Okay, you're going to make it into a pentagon. So to make this pentagon, first, fold this. You all know how to make a square, right? So just fold this and make this into a square. And you can cut it. So once you've got the square, fold it into two. Once you folded it into two, now if we fold it into four, we get a square, right? So this square, now we're going to find the center of the square. To do that, you take this edge and align it to this side. Just mark the center, okay? Just a little bit the center. You don't have to fold it too much. Don't crease it. You can try doing it from the other side. That is, lift the left corner and align it to your right side. Okay. So now you've got the center. So let's mark that center, okay? This will help us. Now the edge, which is the closed edge, is on my left side. Now I lift the bottom corner and take it up to that point. Crease this line. Now lift the same corner, okay, and take it to the bottom edge. You align it to the bottom edge. So you're actually folding it on itself. Okay. So you have something like an ice cream cone on this side, and then you have this square. Okay. So now lift this corner and you have to align it to this edge.
Hi, Padma-san.
The edge. Yeah. Hi.
Padma-san, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So apparently the screen was frozen. So can you just repeat it from the half fold bit?
Sure, I'll do that. Yeah. So first we took the paper and we folded it into two. Okay. So now this square, the square which is formed here, this is half, right? So we are going to find the center of that square. To find the center of the square, we lifted this edge and we aligned it to the left side. Just mark the center. Same thing we did it with, we lifted this edge and we align it to the right side. And again, we mark the same point in the center. And we mark that point. Okay. Now we lift the left edge and you align it to that dot that you have made, the mark that you have made, and crease it nicely. Lift the same edge, align it to the bottom side. Okay. So lift that corner and align it to the bottom edge. Now that now you must have got something like a cone and a straight edge. I hope you all got it like this. You all have any this thing? Have you all got it like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now lift the left corner and align it to this crease that we have formed right now. So you're going to get a sharp point on the left side. You all got a sharp point on the left side like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now turn it to the other side. Now we are going to align the bottom edge to the top edge. That means you're going to fold it into two. You all got this?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So just turn it to the other side. And can you see this first line? This is going to be our cutting line. This is going to be our cutting line. So cut on that line. I hope you all got the pentagon. So through origami, you can actually get a proper pentagon just by using these folds. So now let's turn it, especially those who have one-sided paper, please turn it like this. And we'll mark these points.
Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, I'm not being able to do it. Can you just see once?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have folded it like this.
Yeah.
I got the point.
Yes.
Then I will fold it like this.
See, once you have folded it like this, see, once you have folded it into the square.
Yes, ma'am.
You have folded it and you've got it into that point, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I'll just show you in a smaller piece of paper, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You fold it into two. And you've got your point, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you take the bottom edge. You've got this point, right?
Yes,
now
ma'am.
Take the bottom edge. Can you see the bottom corner? The bottom corner. This bottom corner.
Yes, ma'am.
Take that bottom corner to the point.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Ensure that this left side is a closed side, okay? Now you're just going to lift this corner and align it to the bottom edge. Did you get this? Did you do this? Just lift it.
Ma'am, after this?
Pardon? Can you lift it up and show me? I can't see it. Yeah, now just take that and lift it. See, this, you've got it like this, right? You've got it like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Just lift that corner and align it to the bottom edge like this. You're folding it on itself.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, something like this.
Yeah, you have to fold it on itself, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you got this?
Yes, ma'am.
So you should actually have it like this, one side, and it should be a straight, should be like a square on the other side.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now you take the top corner diagonally, fold it. So see, this is your point. So you have to fold it till that point. You have to get a sharp edge. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you crease that. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So it should look like you should have a sharp edge on the left side. Okay, and you'll have one flap and two flaps.
Yes, ma'am. I got it.
Now turn it to the other side
Yes,
and
ma'am.
fold this whole thing into two. Do you get it?
No, ma'am. I'm doing it.
Yeah.
Ma'am, like this.
Yeah, you have to get it like a cone, like this. Got
Okay,
it?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now, can you see this line over here? The first
Yes,
line,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
fold line. Yeah, you cut on that. Got it? This is the cutting line.
Ma'am, while folding it into two, how to fold it?
Just fold it at the back like this. See, you have turned it, right? Just fold it into two. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So it looks like an ice cream cone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now cut on that first. Can you see this first flap, this first thing? Just cut on this line.
Okay, ma'am. I'm doing it.
Open it out. You all get a pentagon.
No, ma'am. It went all wrong.
What went wrong?
It became like this.
No, I think the reason is you have not kept the closed edge on the left side. You need to keep the closed edge on the left side, like I told you.
I think I have
Edge,
some
which
more.
is the closed edge, has to be on the left side.
Okay, ma'am. I'll do it again.
Yeah. The others just mark this. We are going to fold on this line, okay? Like this, we are going to fold on this line. So from this point, this point. So with basically this whole thing is the one which is involved. So we are going to fold on this line. Shalini-san, have you got it?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing it.
Yeah, sure. So the others can just start folding. Just take a ruler. We are using the ruler so that you get the thing correctly. Okay. So see, just connect those 2 points with the ruler. Keep the ruler there as a kind of a support and fold on that line like this. Just fold on the line. Like this, you need to fold it.
Yes, ma'am. Now I got it. I think
Yeah,
I'll
thank
get.
And once you're finished with it, mark all the points. These points which I have told you. The fold which is there on the straight edges. So now we need to fold it like this. Have you done that?
I'm doing
Ma'am,
it now.
I'm doing.
We can do that for all the sides. Okay. So just keep the ruler that's as your support and fold it on that. Do it on all the sides. So you have to make 5 folds.
Ma'am, I'll cut it from here.
The first line that is there, the first fold.
This one, ma'am.
See this first fold, this fold.
1 minute.
Just fold it like this on all the sides. And crease it nicely. Yeah, it's very important that you crease it. So if you have folded it properly, you should get a star. Have you got a star like this? Can you see the star shape? Yes, correct. Shalini-san, have you got it?
Ma'am, I'll cut it from here.
Yeah, cut it on that. Cut it on that line.
Ma'am, the entire thing I'll cut.
Yes, ma. Here, like this. On this, you have to cut.
One
Like
minute.
this. See this. You have to cut here. You should have a triangle on the left side. The rest of it you should cut.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So the next step is we are going to do one more fold like this. So let's mark this again, the center here. This edge.
Ma'am, I got a half triangle like this.
Half triangle. No,
Half.
actually you've done the fold wrong. Practice it, you will get it. I don't think, no, you have not folded it on the right way, that means. I told you to fold it into half. And after folding it into half, I told you to see this. I told you to fold it into half. After that, what did I tell you? I told you make a point. I told you to join that point and then fold it on itself, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And always this edge has to be the closed edge.
Yes,
Then-
ma'am. I did it that way. It's not
Yeah.
happening.
Then you fold it like this. This is the shape you should get. And you need to fold it into two. So you should be able to cut on this line.
Okay, ma'am. I'll try it then once more.
Yeah. Okay. So once you've got these 2 points, you need to fold on that line. Do it on all the sides like this. Once you've done the folding, it should again be a pentagon only. Yes. Yes. So you have done 2 folds. Can you see that? So on the same side. Now you turn it. Sakshi-san, did you get or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sensei. Padma-san.
So we are actually, we folded it twice. You saw how we folded it, right?
Yeah, I've done with the folding.
Yeah. So now let's turn it. Now the fold is going to be different. Okay. So we are going to fold on, we are going to leave one corner in between and we are going to fold it like this. This is your fold line. Got it? This is your fold line. Shalini-san, did you get?
No, ma'am. It's not happening. I don't know why. I'm still trying.
Yes. Yeah. Do the same thing on all the sides. Sakshi-san. These are your fold lines. So we are going to make 5 folds like this. So we have got like these. This is one fold line. So our fold lines are actually like a star. Sakshi-san, did you get it? Yeah.
Yes, Sensei.
Yeah, so you've got it on all the sides. Does it
I'm
look
just
like a
folding it.
star?
Give me a couple of more minutes. I'm
Yeah,
just
yeah.
folding it.
Shalini san, have you got it?
Ma'am, I'll cut it from here. It's not happening.
I can't see your thing. 1 minute. No, your fold is wrong. That's not the way you fold it. Yes. Take the bottom. First, keep the. Yeah, you got the point, right?
Yes, ma'am. I am doing it
The
like
point.
this.
See, this is your point. Okay, keep the paper the same way like I'm keeping. Keep it on the ground like this. Okay, the edge which is on the closed edge has to be on your left side. On your left side, the closed edge on your left side.
Yes, ma'am. It's
Yeah.
on my left side.
Now lift the bottom. Only the bottom left corner. Take the bottom left corner to that point.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
That one I was doing wrong. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now take that same corner and fold it. Fold that corner
ma'am.
to the bottom edge like this. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm showing you.
Yes, correct. Now you got it. Yes.
Now I'll fold it into half.
No. This, the top left corner, you are going to fold it like this. Can you see this? See this,
Okay,
the
ma'am.
top left corner, you need to fold it and bring it to the right side like this. It has to come to the same line. This line is there, no? This line. The left edge has to be in line with this.
Ma'am, I'm showing you.
I can't see. I can only see your fan.
Sorry, ma'am.
Sakshi san, please fold it like this. Just reinforce all the folds that you have made. So
Ma'am,
you
is this
already got
okay?
it like a three-dimensional tree. Can you see that it is lifted up? Yes. Just reinforce everything by pressing it.
Ma'am, is this okay?
Yeah, now fold it into two. Correct. Now you fold it into two. From the other side.
Ma'am, like this.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, good. Now you got it.
Now
Show
I'll
me
cut
again
this
before you
part.
got it.
Ma'am, now I'll cut this part.
Yeah. Sakshi san, for the base, if you want the base exactly like this, we're going to make the same thing in a smaller size. So to do that, we take the half a sheet of paper. Make it into a square.
Yes,
Use
ma'am,
the
I
half
got
sheet
it
of
now.
paper and use that for a making the same pentagon.
Yes, ma'am, I got the pentagon now.
Good, very good. Yeah, I'll just tell this to Sakshi san. Can you please make the same thing in the smaller size? Exactly
Yes,
like
ma'am.
this.
I'm doing
First, make it into a square. Do you remember the steps? Fold it into two. Yeah, Shalini san, you can follow the same steps in that bigger one.
Okay, ma'am,
Okay,
I'm seeing.
I'll just tell you. Fold it into two. Find the center. For that, you need to fold it on both sides. Mark that point. So, Shalini san, you've done all this till now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, you found this point. So, take the bottom edge, align it to that point, and fold it on itself. Like you're going to fold this corner to the bottom edge. Okay. I'll mark this line so you can see it. Okay. Now the top left corner, you have to align it to this edge, the edge which you have created now. You need to get a sharp corner on the left side. Turn it and fold it into two. Folding it into two like this. Cut on this. This time you've got a smaller pentagon. Yes. Yeah. Shalini sir, now you can follow now.
Yes.
Yeah. So can you see all these sides? There is you got a crease right in the middle. So mark those. On all the sides. Okay. So you should have got 5 of those marks. Yes. Now join all those lines with a pencil. I think that's the best thing. You join pencil or a pen, whatever, you just join it. That's going to be your fold line. You can fold it if you want to join it with pencil, you join it first and then fold it, or you can fold it directly. Use a ruler and just
I
fold
prefer
it.
joining it first in a pencil and then folding it up.
Pardon?
I prefer joining it with the pencil and then folding it up.
Yeah, please do that. That would be better. Because it will come out neatly. So keep the ruler there because that will be your support. And then just lift this bottom edge and fold it on the ruler like this. Now lift this, remove the ruler and fold it. Shalini san, you got it?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing it. I'll show you. But it's not that good.
That's okay. First time, no? If you keep trying
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Now you're going to do it on all the sides. The lines that you have joined, na? Just use it.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep a ruler there and fold it.
Yes.
Yes. Now we're going to do the second fold. That is, again, you're going to mark the point which is there between those two. All
Yes,
these
ma'am.
edges are right. You just mark this point. And you're going to join those two. So this line you're going to join. Keep a ruler and fold on that line that you have just drawn. Crease it nicely. Did you all get it?
Yes,
Both of you
ma'am,
got
I'm
it?
doing it.
Yes. Now turn it. You need to do the same fold. Like, you're going to leave one corner in between and you're going to fold it. Can you see that? You're left one corner. Only this corner and this corner. So you join the lines between those two corners. And you're going to fold it. So do it on all the sides. So again, you're going to use this corner and this corner. And you're going to join the line in between. Same thing, this corner and this corner. I'm going to join the giant line in between. And this corner and this corner, you're going to join the line. So when you're joining the line itself, you should have got a star.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Just fold all those lines. Now you just make it into a star. This line, no, wherever this line is, you just once you've got this, so we have now two stars. Shalini-san, you have one, right? So
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
let's try to make it with that one itself. Sakshi-san, you have two, so you can now join both of them together. Okay, you just have to turn the smaller one like this. Use some glue. And stick them together. Sakshi-san, you can just make it with the one which is on the top. I'll teach you how to make another, the base, different base you can use. Now you take a small toothpick. You're going to make the flame. Let's draw a small flame. Okay, just take a drop shape. Just draw a drop shape. Okay, one in maybe yellow color, small scrap of yellow paper, and a smaller drop shape in a red color paper. You can take any color paper if you want. Red and yellow is more ideal because it looks like a flame. Now let's cut that. Join them together, the yellow and the red piece of paper. In such a way that this is the red one is touching the yellow one at one corner. Like this. Okay. Once this is done, now take a thin strip. Remember, we have cut out this green, the remaining is there, right? Just take a small strip of that paper. Use your toothpick and roll it around it. And stick it on one edge like this. So you have a small tube. So you have a small flame for the diya, the lamp, and then you have a tube which you have rolled into. Now stick this end of the toothpick to the flame like this. You can use a piece of sellotape or masking tape to stick it. So you should get it like this. Yeah, Sakshi-san, did you get it?
Just give me a minute.
Yeah, sure. Shalini San, have you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now, what about Sakshi San? What about you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now take this tube and put it into the toothpick like this.
Yes, ma'am. I'm done.
So that's it. All you have to do is put little bit of glue at the bottom because you want it to stick right to the diya. So put some glue. You can even put little bit of glue on the top also so that it sticks. Put some glue and you're going to poke this into the center of your diya here like this. So your diya is complete. Can you see that? So once you get some practice, you do not have to draw these lines because if you draw these lines, it's going to be seen. So either you draw it in pencil or you draw it in pencil and then erase it, or you don't do it at all. Okay, and just fold it on this line. So your diya is now complete. Got it? Yeah. You understood the steps properly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So we can do another small item. See, this is just take a square piece of paper. Just fold this and make a square piece of paper. Okay. Now we are going to fold it diagonally like this. It's going to become like a triangle, right? This like this, diagonally. And then again like this diagonally. So you're going to get again on triangle only.
Ma'am, is the open side up or open side down?
No, that's okay. You're just folding it like this. 1 and then 2. That's all. Got it? Yeah. Shalini San, you got it?
1 minute, ma'am. Actually, I had no paper. I brought some paper.
Yeah. Just fold it into 4 diagonally. That's all. Okay. Now,
First,
this
we
is
do the
actually,
square paper.
we are going to do cutting work. Okay. This is more like, this is called kirigami. Kirigami means cutting paper. So now what we're going to do is, we are going to draw on this. We have folded it like this. Your folded edge is now on the left side like this. See, the flap is on the left side. Now we are going to draw like this. To make it easy, you can even fold it into 2 and do it so that you will get you can fold it again like this into 2. And you can draw this. Or you can keep it open and draw it so that it's easier for you. So just fold it into 2 like this. So this is going to be your cutting line, okay? Keep it open for convenience. And now you're drawing to one more line next to it like this. 1. And you can even draw one more. 2. Same thing. Now leave a small gap in between, okay? And then draw parallel line like this. Okay. All got it? Please remember that it should not join in the center. There should be a gap. So this is your cutting line. Okay, so we are going to cut. You can even fold it and cut it so it's easier. Or you can cut it separately, it's your wish. Cut it. Remember, we are not going to cut it in the up to this edge. Okay, we're going to stop short of the edge. Okay. The first one, of course, you're going to cut it because you're going to make it smaller. So this first one, you're going to cut it off completely. Okay. From now onwards, these three, you can even make one more line actually. It will look nice. And now onwards, you're just going to stop short of this edge. Carefully. Stop. Did you both get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Just open it. Very carefully open it because it tends to stick. Just open it very carefully. You might have done such kind of paper cutting when you were small, right? With square pieces of paper.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now keep it open like this. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to lift this, the last but one. You're going to lift that and you're going to stick it to the center like this. Just one dot in the center. We're going to put glue in the center, one small dot. And we're going to stick it. Only in the center, okay? Nowhere else. Hold it for a second. You can use a toothpick for that. It's very convenient because it will not stick to your hand. Just use a toothpick to press it down. Now put one more drop of glue over here. Lift that last but one on the other side and stick it. Be patient, wait for some time because it has to stick. Take one more drop of glue. Lift this. And stick it. The third side also. Now the last side. Here also we're going to take one drop of glue. Lift that side. Lift that last. And you're going to stick it. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you can actually make two of these and you can keep them one on top of the other. That will also look nice. You can do it like this. So I have made two and I have put one on top of the other like this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I can show you that also. So we folded it into two like this. And once again, we folded it into two like this. Okay. And then we Got it? We marked it like this, remember? Like this. Okay, and then we cut it on that line. Okay. Now we made cuts like this. 1, 2, and 3. So we cut it on that line. Stop. Stop. So open it. Now you got a second one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we take the second one. Now we place it like this. Okay. And the second one, we're going to keep it like this, in this direction. Can you see the difference? This is
Yes.
in this direction. So we will stick both together. Align it in such a way that it both, it looks nice. Okay.
Yes,
Test it
ma'am.
for a second so that you know that it's stuck. For it to stick well. Okay. You can do one thing. Same thing, just like you did earlier. Remember, you can lift that and you can stick it to this. Sure. Can you see this fold here? You can stick it. Do that for all the sets. These are good decorations. You can just hang it somewhere during festivals, or it can just be stuck onto a wall. Now in the center, you can take the same orange color and you can make a small round and you can stick it. Or a flower, whatever you want. Complete it. Did you both get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I got the first one, ma'am. I didn't get the second one because I found it so hard to stick.
Okay, then the cutting probably, it has to align with it. So actually, when you are doing the first cutting itself, you can keep it next to it and you can do the other cutting so that then it will align. So your final one, you can have it in the same color like this, or it could be a different color.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hi, Padma. Anvasan, we have a request to just go a little bit slowly so that the audience can follow.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, can you repeat this last part again a little bit slowly for them?
The last part, in the sense, this, the one sticking this?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. So what we need to do is, once you have stuck these two pieces together, the last but one, which you're lifting, right? The flap that is formed like this. So this flap, this you need to lift, and you just stick it to the yellow one, like this. At this point, see, can you see this? Can you see these two? Can this fold which is there, you can stick it there. You can do that on all the sides. Sakshi-san, did you get it?
Yes, Sensei.
Yeah. Shalini-san, did you get?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So if you have one more layer and you have made it even more bigger, then the second one, the third one, you can actually keep it. And then there, the third one's second flap, you can join it to this area, this place.
Yes.
Okay. So you have any other questions? Did you get?
Yes, ma'am.
Rachel-san, are there any other questions?
Padma-san, as of now, I can't see any. Soham-san, is there any questions that need to be addressed? No questions, Padma-san.
Oh, okay, fine. Yeah. Thank you, Sakshi-san and Shalini-san, for joining this workshop.
Thank you, Padma-san.
I hope
Thank
you
you,
learned it, and
Padma-san.
if you practice this, it should come out well.
Thank you, Padma-san, for this workshop. It was very interesting. And thank you to all the participants who attended and learned something new. And to all the audience on YouTube, you can check out the steps and follow them. The video will be available, so you can follow them, the steps if you didn't get any. So I again thank you so much, Padma-san, for this workshop. So Soham-san and the Japan Hub IMC, back to you. We'll be concluding the session.
Thank you, Rachel-san.